The TLX Type S is a very comfortable car. Handles really well, has a good exhaust note, and especially in Sport Plus, as I'm in right now, it'll open up the valves so you'll have more sound in the engine sound in the cabin. So this car has 355 horsepower, 354 pound-feet of torque, 10-speed automatic transmission. Comes out of corners really well. As you can see, it has the auto rev matching as well. This car also has a wireless charger, as you can see right here. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Controlled with the true touchpad interface. But this is a very nice daily driver. It's very quick, comfortable. It's just, and depending on the mode you're in, you can just stick this thing in sport mode or normal mode or comfort mode, and it'll feel like a normal TLX. But when you want to really get into it on the drive, put it Sport Plus. 4-piston Brembo brakes, great braking power. Thank you for watching.